Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandal in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, and on occasion some beauty products. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below. I'd love for you to join my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a couple items I picked up while I was on the Nordstrom.ca website. They had quite a few sales going on, so I decided to try a new brand. And this new brand is by Kurt Geiger, and one of them came in this box. And it is wrapped in plastic, and it looks like a dust bag. So let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, I couldn't believe the sales that were going on. Get rid of it. Here is a dust bag that says Kurt Geiger London. And to reveal, I have not yet seen it, only online. Ready, guys? Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? I just love it. So a little bit about this item. It is called the Kurt Geiger Mini Translucent Bag. It is in the color pink. It's made of a plastic material with the embossed or also the stitching all around the bag. And it's very, very sturdy. And I just want to look at my notes here. It says that it comes with an eagle on the clasp here, which is magnetic. Open and closure. The measurements on this bag are height 5 1/4, so top to bottom. And you're looking at your length is 7 1/2, and your depth is 2 3/4. It has we get the strap out here. The hardware is in like a bronzy gold type color. So the depth of this, it's not saying for the shoulder strap, but you can use it as a crossbody. All you have to do is pull the chain through. It's all wound up, or you could use it on the shoulder, such as this, and I'll give you some mod shots later. Very structured little bag. You can put quite a few things in there. Let me just grab something from the back and see if I can stick it in here. See if I can put one of these. I'm going to stick the little toiletries in. You can put your wallet in, your keys, and that fits nicely. And you do have some more room to stick keys, lipsticks, and other things in there. Very structured little bag. I love the color. Look at the detail on the eagle head with the little crystals. Gorgeous little bag. Be great for summertime. And this one I got on sale for $83.98, including my tax in Canada. The chain is not a bad weight. This bag weighs 0.8 of a pound with nothing in it. There's your side view. Take a look at the back. There's no pocket or anything on the back. There's your bottom. Very doable, very structured little bag. Very nice. I love it. I cannot wait to use this bag in the summertime. Very, very nice little bag. So that's the first one. And the second one also came in this box. Move my scissors out of the way here. Also from the same company, Kurt Kurt Geiger, pardon me, the plastic bag. Let's take the plastic off. 1 second, let me cut it off with the scissors here. There is a dust bag with Kurt Geiger London on the bottom, and this company originated in 1968, and they are located in the UK in London. Oh God, look at this bag, guys. Wow, look at this one. This one is called the Kensington large quilted leather shoulder bag. The color of this one is in salmon. The fabric is leather, and it is got the boxed stitching on the top. Look at this, it's just gorgeous. It is so soft. Here is the side profile, and here's the back. It looks like it's dented here from where the chain was, so hopefully that will come out. It's got Kurt Geiger London on the bottom, on the back. There's the bottom, very sturdy, no feet. Side again. And this also comes with brass hardware. And look at the eagle again with the crystals. They're so sparkly. Look at the eyes. Just love this bag. And this bag is 11.5 in the drop of the chain. For your crossbody, you're looking at 21.25. It weighs approximately 1.5 pounds with nothing in it. It's got the eagle embellishment with a magnetic clasp. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, look at that. I'm not too fan of that. Let me take the paper out of the inside. And it does come with a divided interior in the inside. If I can get this going here. If you can see this here. It's got the Kurt Geiger London genuine leather inside. Take a peek here. There's no center pocket here where you could open it up. It's got no leather on the inside. It is just a fabric. And then you've got a pocket. I know it's hard to see in here. I'm sorry, guys. You've got a pocket here on the side where you could put your cell phone, your keys, makeup, so on and so forth. What is that? Oh, it looks like it's got a string sticking down. This one I paid, I think $162 for this bag. It's very, very soft. The color is salmon, like I said. It'll go with so many things. It is just gorgeous. Gorgeous little bag. So, if you're interested in any of these type of items, go on to, depending on if you're in the US or if you're in Canada, this one I purchased from Nordstrom.ca, and they've got so many buys going on right now, guys. Oh, I just love this. And it smells like leather. It doesn't have any foul odors or anything like that with this bag. And you can pull the chain through, wear it crossbody, which I'll show you later, or a shoulder bag. I just love this, guys. This one, unfortunately, is sold out. This one, unfortunately, is sold out as well. These ones went really quickly. I tried to get it in the green, but unfortunately, I paid for it. And then I got a notice later on stating that it was sold out. So, there you are, guys. I will put some mod shots later. So if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and take care. Till next time. Bye-bye, guys. Here's the bag crossbody, guys. This is the salmon, the one in leather. And for reference, I am 5'2". There is a side view. It's very lightweight, even though there is nothing in it. You think the chain would be heavy. So that is on the shoulder. Let's do a crossbody. And step back. There's crossbody. It's hard to see. Sorry guys. So if I let it go, it is on my hip. Very, very nice bag. Once again, guys, it's Kurt Geiger from London. Here, guys, is the pink transparent Kurt Geiger bag. And this is worn on the shoulder. I'm going to step back. Very vibrant color. There's the side. There's the other side. Comfortable bag, sturdy bag. Let me just put it on crossbody now. I like the chain, that you're not stuck with just one style of a bag. I'm going to step back. And this is crossbody. Here's the side. Sorry, here's the back. The color is stunning on this, guys. It is just gorgeous. What drew me to it was the head with all of the rhinestones. These ones are pink in color to match the bag. Just gorgeous. There you are, guys. If you're interested, maybe go online. They could have a few left in different colors. They came in green, pink, see-through transparent, yellow, and also a really beautiful blue. So, till next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.